MLA kanong po constituency uba Meral Bonsim ulapan pau ya ka jing so kamen halor ka jing yo ya ka jing shna ya ka surok ka bayat lang ba nanong po den Sonapur ya ka ba ka jing pentri ka badang ya shat shishat Menta kasi ka apo pratarik o benay rampang arajar pendriu ulapan pau ba ka jing sungu ya ka sorka jala badru yaw kontraktor o belasdang ya ka kam hakapor ka babit babyang bat ka jing pentri ka badang yay petang klem sange watang shisngiru nadu wasadang ya kane ka project Uba Meral Bonsim mula kadaw ba kane ka jingshna ya kane ka surok kadai ka bahe omla ban yet baha ya ka jingbit lane ka jingduna Henry kum kine ki jingduna ki julong tang kum shibenta ki barit na ka jingtray barok kaway Ula ongru bad labatha ya ki company ban pendap hok ya la kekam bad ban ajing tip sya ki tanat pek ka sarkar jela da ka ba ula pendrap baka jingduna ki baret teng ki dan hakikat to kat ne ki jaka kila banja hakano kano namar kadai ka project ka bahe Bat ula penksan ro bagi Paidbah lane ki Riewshimet kim dan hok ban Pynjular lane Pynjot namar ka Surok nongpo dan Sonapur road kadai ka Surok ka bapendan kamlang da u Paidbah
Right from the time when we put proposal and when we have been initiated, when the sanction has been made from our home, then so on. This is a dream and aspiration of the people, and the government is kind enough to sanction, and we have received the sanction also on the 10th of October 2024. And the foundation stone for this Nongpo Umden Sonopur Road was laid on December 10, if I'm not. Public property. No one has any right to just go and destroy land. This is public money is using. It is a public property. It is a public road. It has been made properly. And we have no right to just interfere like that as citizens. So my request to all the citizens also to see properly, to verify properly. If anything is there, give in writing, go and talk to the officer, come to me as MLA, go and talk to the contractor. That is a civilized way of doing things. We should work together. So it is very important that we should not destroy public property which has been made, but we should have a constructive mind to work together for the benefit of each and every one of us. So I hope that now everything will be fine. And I also thank all those concerned people who have been there, who have raised this issue. It has been an eye-opener to not only to this project, but all other projects also. I would like to thank them also, but we have to be very cautious and careful in days to come. And very important on this note is that we should work together, and anything is there, we have to come into the table to discuss and to the conclusion in which what benefit each and every one of us.